Hello, I'm Teresa Hansen, Vice President of Global Content for Clarion Energy. Like many of you, the Clarion Energy team is beginning another week of working from home. But we all know it's important to shelter in place to save lives and flatten the curve, so for now, it's our new normal. Welcome to another home edition of Clarion Energy News. Story number 3. The Nuclear Regulatory Commission decided last week to allow longer shifts for nuclear power plant workers. The NRC said it would consider, on a plant-by-plant basis, 60-day exemptions that would allow workers to be on the job for as many as 86 hours in a 7-day period, including 12 hours a day for 14 days straight. That's up from the 72-hour week they are currently allowed to work. Some plant owners are studying options, including having workers temporarily live at plants full-time. In related news, last week the New York ISO did just that. It announced that a 37-person team has volunteered to enter its sequestration program at 2 New York ISO sites. At these locations, the men and women work in 12-hour shifts and live in separate trailers during off hours. They are now completely isolated from their families and friends. So that's it for me. Jennifer Runyon will now bring you the rest of the news. Have a good week and be safe, everyone.
Thank you so much, Teresa. So, global tech and engineering firm Emerson said it purchased American Governor Company, which provides technologies and services for hydroelectric turbine controls. Emerson said that American Governor's digital governor controls complement Emerson's distributed control system and programmable automation controllers, which together help the power industry realize the benefits of the digital transformation. American Governor's expertise spans the oldest mechanical to the latest digital governors, and governors regulate hydroelectric turbines. So the company, which is headquartered near Philadelphia, provides service to over 1,500 hydro plants globally. Story number 1. The Tennessee Valley Authority is seeking public input on a draft environmental assessment that considers the environmental impacts of allowing local power companies, LPCs, to generate a portion of their load to meet customer needs. So under the proposed supply flexibility option, the 138 LPCs who currently have entered into a long-term partnership agreement with TVA will have the option to reduce the amount of energy they buy from TVA and generate up to 5% of their average energy needs and put that locally generated energy on their distribution system for their customers to use. Now, locally generated energy could take the form of solar power plants, wind farms, small biomass facilities, fuel cells, or other smaller forms of distributed generation. Now, enabling power supply flexibility supports TVA's 2019 Integrated Resource Plan and the Utility Strategic Financial Plan, both of which anticipate a future with lower carbon emissions due to more distributed generation. TVA says that its power supply is already nearly 60% carbon-free, and that this proposal would further advance their low-carbon ambitions. So you can submit comments about this proposal up to May 4th, and you'll find more information about it at tva.gov. Now, speaking of energy delivery, the Distributec 2021 call for abstracts is officially open. We're accepting your speaking ideas for panel discussions or presentations that will take place at next year's event, which will be held in San Diego, California, February 9th through 11th, 2021. So submit your speaking ideas right now. Go to power-grid.com to find more information. That's all I have for you today. I'm Jennifer Runyon. Thank you for watching.